The username comes before the @ sign and domain name always comes after the @ sign in any email ID. We can use this fact to extract the username and domain name. There are two methods to do this, using a formula or using text to column. To extract the username in an email address, you can use a formula that uses the left and find functions. You can use this formula to extract username. Email ID, this is the text that represents an email ID. For example, we have a list of email IDs in column A. To extract username, use this formula. Find the position of @ which is 5, subtract 1 from it which becomes 4. 1 is subtracted to prevent the formula from extracting the @ symbol along with the username. The left function then extracts 4 characters from the email ID starting from the left, which is the username. To extract the domain from an email address, you can use a formula based on the write, len, and find functions. Let us extract the domain names in column C using this formula. First, we get the number of characters after @ and use that in the write function to extract the domain name. The find function returns the position of a given text in a string. Here it returns the position of @ in name@gmail.com, which is 5. Length of A2, it returns the total number of characters in a text, which is 14. Then 5 is subtracted from 14, which is 9. This is the number of characters in domain name. This is used as the second argument for the write function, which extracts domain name from the email ID. Copy the formulas down using the fill handle. All the usernames and domain names are extracted. Whenever you change data in email column, the corresponding username and domain name will be updated automatically. You can use text to column to extract username and domain name from email IDs. Select email IDs. In the Data tab, in Data Tools group, click on Text to Columns. Select Delimited and click on Next. Check Other option. In text box, enter @ symbol. Click on Next. Choose a destination cell. Click on Finish. The usernames and domain names are separated into two different columns. In this method, whenever you change data in email column, the corresponding username and domain name will not be updated automatically. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.